Hi, this is Dean Mukesh from MaximizeSuccessAcademy.com. So today I'm sharing with you the symptoms of RP or retinitis pigmentosa as I felt, and it's my small journey, and some of you may be seeing that. So it's like an early detection. It's better to detect some things earlier. So one of the symptoms was that I was having a peripheral vision, like somebody's waving like this side, and I wouldn't see that. And one time I was giving a lecture and some students waved on one side of the corner, and I could not see that, like I could not detect that till I turned my neck on toward that direction. So, and second symptom is that night vision, that at night when the oncoming traffic lights could be like started to kind of irritate me, that I could not like see clearly for few seconds. I'm talking few seconds, not instantly. And then the third symptom was like driving during the like a rainy season or in the fog or something like that. I was having quite a bit difficulty to see that. So these were some of the small symptoms which started to appear, and as the situation kind of progressed, in this case, like the eyesight started to reduce, and that's where I got into a panic mode. And right now you can see that I'm at Sree Dahreeyam. Like they have these herbal trees, a lot of explanation on these trees too. You can see the stickers and on the trees. So they grow their own trees, herbs, and they have a huge land. And that's what I like in this, that they have their own 2 factories where they make from the fresh herbs those medicines to treat. Again, there is is there a 100% cure yet? Not yet, but the goal is to stabilize in the first place. So if you want to know more about it, you can contact me in the description below, and I will be able to speak. By the way, I'm residing in Toronto, Canada, so I see here a lot of people, like I met a couple from France, and the last time when I came, I met the couple from Netherland, New York, and even this time I met the person from New York, and somebody's coming 3rd time, 8th time, 12th time. So the thing is that it's building my own faith also, that yes, we are on the right path. And one of the things I blame is that it took me 3 years later I detected about this institution, and that's why I'm doing this myself, to show them that to show all of you, so that you can detect it earlier and reach to this institute and help to heal your own situation, or at least stop the deterioration right at that level, wherever it is. Have a great day. This is Dean Mukesh from MaximizeSuccessAcademy.com, and you can contact me. The information is below in the description. Thank you and have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye now.